Hi class, this is Ms. Fernandez again. Today we're going to be talking about science. And what is a scientist? A scientist is a person that sorts, collects, questions, experiments, wonders, discovers, guesses, observes, thinks, invents, tests, asks, measures, and classifies, and records. And a scientist is you. You are all scientists. And this week we're going to start discovering about germs and what is a germ and why we need to keep them off of our bodies. And we also will be seeing something about the importance of wearing masks. I all saw you with your mask this week, and I'm so happy that you guys are keeping safe. So go into Seesaw, and in the weekly lesson plans, in box number 5, you will be learning about something related to science. Have fun!